What's the ghost say? What's the ghost say? Boo. Boo. You got a little ghost there?
Make this place now.
Are you singing now? Colton, come here.
Make this place now.
What do you say?
I made this place now.
What?
I made this place now.
Are you even talking English? What are you saying?
Mom said let me call me maybe.
She's getting you Call Me Maybe song? Oh boy. What are you and me doing tomorrow?
Do we show?
Do you have show and tell tomorrow?
Yeah.
What are you going to show? There's the ghost man. Boo!
Violet and Abigail.
Violet and Abigail?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Then who's doing snack time at school?
Me and Daddy.
Woohoo! Alright, say bye.